Dear students, now I am going to tell you briefly the administrative achievements of the great Roman administrator Julius Caesar. According to the historical documents, Julius Caesar was born in 100 BC and he was died in 44 BC. In 60 BC, Julius Caesar formed the first triumvirate with Crassus and Pompey, a political alliance that dominated Roman politics for several years. He became the most powerful politician in the Roman Republic through a number of his accomplishments, and he became the first general to cross both the English Channel and the Rhine River and planned to invade Britain. He extended Rome's territory up to Britain and Gaul. Caesar became more popular. At the time, Senate tried to destroy the political alliance of Caesar. Julius Caesar solved the conflict between Pompey and Crassus. Crassus was died in an expedition against the Parthians. Then the alliance was ended. Then Senate tried to make conflict between Julius Caesar and Pompey. The Senate was successful in its attempt and closed all the doors that Julius Caesar was not able to enter in Rome. Then Julius Caesar entered Italy with his soldiers. Within a very short time, Julius Caesar occupied Italy and Spain. In the year of 48 BC, Julius Caesar defeated Pompey in Pharsalus War. Then Caesar became the dictator of Rome. In the meantime, Caesar helped Cleopatra, the queen of Mysore, and defeated Pharaoh soldiers and returned the throne to the queen Cleopatra. And he enthroned Cleopatra on the Mysore throne. Two sons of Pompey started rebellion at Munda, but Caesar easily defeated them, and in this way the civil war was ended in Rome. The Roman Senate enthroned him as an autocratic ruler for an indefinite period. Now, I am going to discuss about his reforms. His administrative reforms. The Roman Senate was more powerful at that time, but Caesar tried to eliminate the power of the Senate. He appointed more members in Senate and increased of the members up to 900. He permitted the people of Gaul and Spain to be the member of the Senate. He tried to minimize the power of the aristocratic section and increase the power of general people. He passed an act whose name was Lex Julia Municipalis and destroyed the dominancy of the Roman magistrates. He observed strongly the people census. He entrusted the responsibility of the collection of tax to the municipal officials rather than the aristocratic officials. Provincial administration. He adopted liberal policy in respect of provincial administration. He offered citizenship to all the outsiders of Italy. The aristocratic section made a hindrance to the poor cultivators and laborers to live together in the provinces. Caesar eliminated the power of the aristocratic section and gave opportunity to live together to the poor cultivators and the laborers. He minimized the proportion of taxes on the cultivators and he minimized the heavy burden of taxes on the cultivators and inspired them for more agricultural production. Economical reforms. Day by day, the number of people increased in Rome. As a result, law and order situation was disturbed. He dispatched more people to the other colonies of Rome. He minimized the proportion of loan interest who took loan. He planned to minimum food supply to the idle persons from 3,20,000 to 1,50,000. He reconstructed the Ostia harbor for more naval transportation. He constructed many roads, royal buildings, and bridges to solve the unemployment problem. He engaged many youths in these constructional works. He started irrigation system on the agricultural fields. He tried to supply water to the cultivable field from Pontine and Locus Fucinus through the drainage system. He established more colonies at various new places. He respected the teachers and he offered citizenship to all the teachers came from outside along with the doctors. He established public schools and also established a huge library in Rome. He introduced leap year and calendar was known as most lasting of Caesar's reforms. In this way, Julius Caesar tried to reform the politics, economy, and society of Rome by his own effort. These reforms developed Rome more and more.